GeoByte.
Hello students, welcome to GeoByte. In the previous videos, we discussed about multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. In today's video, let us discuss about division of fractions. Let us consider some example. John has a paper strip of length 6 centimeters. He cuts this strip into smaller strips of length 2 centimeters each. You know that he would get 6 divided by 2, which is equals to 3 strips. John cuts another strip of length 6 centimeters into smaller strips of length 3 by 2 centimeters each. How many strips will he get now? He will get 6 divided by 3 by 2 strips. Next, a paper strip of length 15 by 2 centimeters can be cut into smaller strips of length 3 by 2 centimeters each to give 15 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 pieces. So if you are observing carefully, in the first case, 6 is a whole number and 2 is also a whole number. We are performing the whole number division. Now in second case, we are having whole number and we are having fraction. So here we are performing division operation on whole number by using a fraction. And here in third example, we are having both are fractions. So we are performing operation on fractions. So means division by a fraction. So we are required to divide a whole number by a fraction or a fraction by another fraction. Let us see how to do that. First one, division of whole number by a fraction. Let us find 1 divided by 1 by 2. In this case, 1 is a whole number, 1 by 2 is a fraction. So, division of whole number by a fraction. We divide a whole into a number of equal parts such that each part is half of the whole. The number of such half parts would be 1 divided by 1 by 2. Means, let us consider this whole. We are dividing it into equal parts. Means this is 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. How many half parts do you see? There are two half parts. This is one half part and this is one more half part. So 1 divided by 1 by 2 is equals to 2. Also 1 into 1 by 2. So for 1 by 2, we can also find the reciprocal. So reciprocal means, reciprocal can be obtained by interchanging the numerator and the denominator. So in this case, we are having 1 by 2. So we need to find the reciprocal of 1 by 2, which is equals to, so reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So 1 into 2 by 1, which is equals to 1 into 2, which is equals to 2. Thus 1 divided by 1 by 2 is 2, or the result of 1 divided by 1 by 2 is 2. Next, consider one more example. 3 divided by 1 by 4. Now, in this case, number of 1 by 4 parts obtained when each of these three wholes are divided into 4 equal parts. So, we are having how many wholes? 3. This is a 1. This is a 1. And this is a 1 more. So, we are dividing into the 4 equal parts. This is the 1 by 4. This is also 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means each part will represent 1 by 4 of the whole. So here, how many parts do you see? There are 12 parts. So here we are having 4, here 4, here 4. 4 3 is a 12. So we are having total 12. So we can also find 3 divided by 1 by 4, which is equals to 3 into reciprocal of 1 by 4. So reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1, which is equals to 3 into 4, which is equals to 3 fours are 12. So the result of 3 divided by 1 by 4 is 12. The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocal of each other. So reciprocal of 5 by 9 is 9 by 5. If you are multiplying 5 by 9 with 9 by 5, we will get the result as 1. Next, try this. First one, find 7 divided by 2 by 3. So here 7 is a whole number and 2 by 3 is a fraction. So we are performing the division of whole number by a fraction, which is equals to 7 into reciprocal of 2 by 3. So reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2, which is equals to 7 by 1 into 3 by 2, which is equals to, so these two are the fractions, so we need to apply multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. So product of numerators, so 7 into 3 by product of denominators, that is 1 into 2, which is equals to 7 3 is a 21 by 1 2 is a 2. So the result of 7 divided by 2 by 3 is 21 by 2. Next, 6 divided by 4 by 7, which is equals to 6 into reciprocal of 4 by 7. Reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4, which is equals to 6 by 1 into 7 by 4, which is equals to product of numerators, that is 6 into 7 by product of denominators, that is 1 into 4. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, which is equals to 3 into 7 by 1 into 2, which is equals to 3 sevens are 21 by 1 2s are 2. So the result of 6 divided by 4 by 7 is 21 by 2. Next, 2 divided by 8 by 9, which is equals to 2 into reciprocal of 8 by 9. So reciprocal of 8 by 9 is 9 by 8, which is equals to 2 by 1 into 9 by 8, which is equals to, now product of numerators, that is 2 into 9 by product of denominator, that is 1 into 8, which is equals to, now 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, which is equals to 1 into 9 by 1 into 4, which is equals to 1 nines are 9 by 1 fours are 4. So 9 by 4. The result of 2 divided by 8 by 9 is 9 by 4. Next, consider one more example. 4 divided by 2, 2 by 5. Now in this example, we are having mixed fraction. So if the given problem consists of mixed fraction, then we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 divided by 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 by 5, which is equals to 4 into reciprocal of 12 by 5. So the reciprocal of 12 by 5 is 5 by 12, which is equals to, in denominator nothing is there, so 4 by 1 into 5 by 12, which is equals to product of numerators, that is 4 into 5 by product of denominator, that is 1 into 12. Now here 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, which is equals to 1 into 5 by 1 into 3. 1 5s are 5 by 1 3s are 3. The result of 4 divided by 2, 2 by 5 is 5 by 3. Let us consider one more example. 5 divided by 3, 1 by 3, which is equals to, in this example also we are having mixed fraction, so we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 5 divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. So 10 by 3, which is equals to 5 into, we need to find the reciprocal of 10 by 3. So reciprocal of 10 by 3 is 3 by 10, which is equals to 5 by 1 into 3 by 10, which is equals to product of numerators, that is 5 into 3 by product of denominators, that is 1 into 10. So here 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, which is equals to 1 into 3 by 1 into 2. 1 3s are 3 by 1 2s are 2. So 3 by 2. The result of 5 divided by 3 1 by 3 is 3 by 2. The next topic is division of a fraction by a whole number. Now in this concept, we are going to take fraction number and a whole number, and we are performing the division operation with whole number. Let us consider 3 by 4 divided by 3. Here 3 by 4 is a fraction and 3 is a whole number. 3 by 4 divided by 3 is equals to 3 by 4 divided by, here for 3 there is no denominator, so we can write it as 1. So 3 by 1. Now which is equals to 3 by 4 divided by 3 by 1, right? So for 3 by 1, we need to find the reciprocal. So reciprocal means we need to interchange numerator and denominator. Then it will become 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. It is based on the concept of multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. So by the rule of multiplication of a fraction, product of a fraction is equals to product of numerators by product of denominators, which is equals to product of numerators is 3 into 1 by product of denominators. So denominator is nothing but 4 into 3. Now in numerator we are having 3 and denominator we are having 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Get cancelled. Now we'll get 1 into 1 by 4 into 1, which is equals to 1 by 4. 1 ones are 1, 4 ones are 4. 1 by 4. So the result of 3 by 4 divided by 3 is 1 by 4. So whenever they are giving fraction and a whole number, if you want to perform division operation, so the first thing is we need to find the reciprocal for the, first we need to place 1 in the denominator for a whole number, then we need to perform the reciprocal operation, then we need to perform the multiplication, then we will get the result. Next, let us consider one more example. 2 by 3 divided by 7, which is equals to, so 2 by 3 is a fractional part and 7 is a whole number. So 2 by 3 divided by 7 by 1, which is equals to 2 by 3 into reciprocal of 7 by 1. Reciprocal of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7, which is equals to 2 into 1 by 3 into 7, which is equals to 2 ones are 2, 3 sevens are 21. So 2 by 21. So the result of 2 by 3 divided by 7 is 2 by 21. Next example. 5 by 7 divided by 6, which is equals to 5 by 7 divided by 6 by 1, which is equals to 5 by 7 reciprocal of 6 by 1 is 1 by 6. So 5 by 7 into 1 by 6, which is equals to 5 into 1 product of numerators by product of denominators, that is 7 into 6, which is equals to 5 ones are 5, 7 6 are 42, 5 by 42. The result of 5 by 7 divided by 6 is equals to 5 by 42. Let us consider one more example. 2 by 7 divided by 8, which is equals to 2 by 7 divided by 8 by 1, which is equals to 2 by 7 into reciprocal of 8 by 1. So reciprocal of 8 by 1 is 1 by 8, which is equals to, now these two are the two fractions, so we need to perform the multiplication on these two fractions. So product of numerators, that is 2 into 1 by product of denominators, that is 7 into 8, which is equals to, here 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So that is 1 into 1 by 7 into 4, which is equals to 1 ones are 1 by 7 fours are 28. So the result of 2 by 7 divided by 8 is equals to 1 by 28. Now, so all these examples are based on division of a fraction by a whole number. So first we are having fractional part. Fractions here 3 by 4 divided by 3. 3 by 4 is a fraction divided by 3. 3 is a whole number. Like this we perform the division operation on fraction and a whole number. Now, next. In some cases, we'll get mixed fractions and we need to divide by using a whole number. Let us consider one more example. 2 by 5 divided by 5. Now, in this case, we are having one mixed fraction. So this mixed fraction is divided by a whole number. So the first and foremost thing we need to do is we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 by 5 divided by 5. Now it is in the form of division of a fraction by a whole number. Now, which is equals to 12 by 5 divided by 5 by, so there is no denominator, so we are placing 1 in place of denominator. Now 12 by 5 divided by 5 by 1. We need to find the reciprocal for 5 by 1. So which is reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5, which is equals to product of fractions, that is product of numerators, that is 12 into 1 by product of denominators 5 into 5, which is equals to 12, 12 ones are 12, 5 5s are 25. So 12 by 25 is the result of 2 by 5 divided by 5. Next, let us consider one more example based on mixed fractions. 4 2 by 5 divided by 3, which is equals to 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22 by 5. So we are converting this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. After that, divided by 3, which is equals to 22 by 5 divided by 3 by 1, which is equals to, so here for 3 by 1 we need to find the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. So 22 by 5 into 1 by 3, which is equals to 22 into 1 by 5 into 3, which is equals to 22 into 1 is 22 by 5 3s are 15. 22 by 15. The result of 4 2 by 5 divided by 3 is 22 by 15. Next, one more example. 2 3 by 5 divided by 2, which is equals to, here the first fraction is a mixed fraction, so we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 5 2s are 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 5 divided by 2, which is equals to 13 by 5 divided by 2 by 1, which is equals to 13 by 5 into reciprocal of 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2, which is equals to, we need to perform multiplication of fractions. So product of numerator, that is 13 into 1 by 5 into 2, which is equals to 13 ones are 13 by 5 2s are 10. Now 13 by 10. The result of 2 3 by 5 divided by 2 is 13 by 10. The next concept is division of a fraction by another fraction. Let us consider one example. 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 3. Here in both the cases we are having fraction. 1 by 3 is a fraction, 6 by 3 is also a fraction. So we need to find the division operation. So division of a fraction by a fraction, which is equals to 1 by 3 into, we need to find the reciprocal of 6 by 3. Reciprocal of 6 by 3. So the reciprocal of 6 by 3 is, so reciprocal means how to obtain the reciprocal? By interchanging the numerator with denominator. Then we'll get the reciprocal, which is equals to 1 by 3 into, so in numerator we are having 6 and in denominator we are having 3. So we need to interchange these two. Then we'll get 3 by 6, which is equals to, these two are fractions and we are performing the multiplication. So we need to apply the multiplication of a fraction by a fraction rule. So based on that concept, so how to perform multiplication on a fraction? First we need to perform multiplication on numerators, that is 1 into 3 by product of denominators. Product of denominators is 3 into 6. Here we are having 3, 3 ones are 3, here also 3 ones are 3. So which is equals to 1 into 1 by 1 into 6, which is equals to 1 ones are 1 by 1 6 are 6, 1 by 6. The result of 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 3 is 1 by 6. Let us consider one more example. 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 5, which is equals to, so these two are also a fractions, right? So 1 by 3 into reciprocal of 6 by 5. So reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6, which is equals to 1 into 5 by 3 into 6, which is equals to 1 5 is 5 by 3 6 is 18. So 5 by 18. The result of 1 by 3 divided by 6 by 5 is 5 by 18. 8 by 5 divided by 2 by 3, which is equals to 8 by 5 into reciprocal of 2 by 3. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2 is equals to 8 into 3 by 5 into 2, which is equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Remaining is 4 into 3 by 5 into 1, which is equals to 4 threes are 12 by 5 ones are 5. So 12 by 5 is the result of 8 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Next, 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4, which is equals to 1 by 2 into reciprocal of 3 by 4. So reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3, which is equals to 1 into 4, product of numerators by product of denominators. Product of denominator is 2 into 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, which is equals to 1 into 2 by 1 into 3, which is equals to 1 twos are 2 by 1 threes are 3. So 2 by 3. The result of 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4 is 2 by 3. Try this. First one, find 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2, which is equals to 3 by 5 into reciprocal of 1 by 2. So reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, which is equals to product of numerators, that is 3 into 2 by product of denominators. Product of denominators is 5 into 1, which is equals to 3 twos are 6 by 5 ones are 5. So 6 by 5 is the result of 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Next, second one. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5, which is equals to 1 by 2 into reciprocal of 3 by 5. Reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3, which is equals to 1 into 5 by 2 into 3, which is equals to 1 5 is a 5 by 2 3 is a 6. 5 by 6 is the result of 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. Next, third one. 2 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5, which is equals to, so here the given question consists of mixed fraction, so we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, so 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 5. 5 by 2, we need to find the reciprocal for 3 by 5. So 5 by 2 into reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So 5 by 3, which is equal to product of numerator, that is 5 into 5 by product of denominator, that is 2 into 3, which is equals to 5 5 is a 25 by 2 3 is a 6, 25 by 6. The result of 2 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 5 is 25 by 6. Next, fourth one, 5 1 by 6 divided by 9 by 2. So in this question also we are having mixed fraction. So we need to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 6 5 is a 30 plus 1, 31. So 31 by 6 divided by 9 by 2. So which is equals to 31 by 6. We need to find the reciprocal of 9 by 2. So the reciprocal of 9 by 2 is 2 by 9, which is equals to, now in this case 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now 31 into 1 by 3 into 9, which is equals to 31 1s are 31 by 3 9s are 27. Now the result of 5 1 by 6 divided by 9 by 2 is 31 by 27. The remaining topics will be covered in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeoByte.
GeoByte.